Digital Core Help Desk, how may I help you?
Hello. I'm calling from Sunrise School. Our Block A CCTV isn't working.
No worries, ma'am. We'll take care of it right away.
All right, team, we've got a school outage. Let's move. Tester, cables, spare adapter, all set.
Thank you for coming so quickly.
We'll check the CCTV in Block A right now.
Found it. The power adapter is dead. Replacing it now.
Everything is back online. Thank you, Digital Core.
Anytime, sir, Rep. If anything happens again, just call us.
Another CCTV issue solved.
And if your system ever breaks down,
Just reach out to us anytime. Digital Core is always ready to fix it.